welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please make sure you subscribe for new recipe videos every Wednesday. Today we're going to be making tuna avocado quinoa salad. It's a great post-workout meal and this is how we make it. Let's get started. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and let me know what you think in the comments below. And you can also check out my new recipe blog if you're looking for recommendations or substitutions. Bon appetit!